Hey everyone, and welcome to Spinning the Chainweb with the CryptoSpyder. In this video, I'm going to be going over the XWallet, some of the features, and how to use it. Let's go. So the website for the wallet is xwallet.kaddex.com, and this is the web page. As you can see, XWallet version 1 is live. That's the beta version. This wallet is great because it allows you to interact with websites easily, similar to a MetaMask wallet or something like that. You can connect to the website, mint NFTs, buy coins, just like you would with the MetaMask wallet. It's powered by Kaddex. Kaddex is a DEX, a decentralized exchange on the Kadena network. Improved user experience. It's a user-friendly and robust native wallet designed for seamless interaction with dApps on the Kadena network. Functionality. Within the wallet, users will be able to send and receive assets, execute cross-chain transfers, view transactions, interact with dApps, and more. Provide everything a user needs to interact with the dApp, more features being added as Kadena evolves. They'll also have a mobile version soon, and I imagine they'll have NFTs also at some point. Secure and compatible. By default, all accounts within the XWallet are K accounts. XWallet is compatible with both Chrome and Brave, so you can download it as an extension on your browser. XWallet generates secure keys and passwords that only you have access to. Your keys, your crypto. XWallet version 1 is live, so they're beta testing it. They'll deploy a series of incentives for discovering bugs soon, and you can look at their Twitter page or their Discord for more information. Multi-token ecosystem. It says, in addition, users can recover Chainweb, Kadena's official wallet, password, seed phrases, and quickly regenerate existing accounts. XWallet's the only wallet in the Kadena ecosystem that supports all tokens on the Kadena network. So there's only a handful of tokens right now on the network. You can go to the DEXs and buy some of those if you want to. This wallet allows you to connect directly to that DEX and swap KDA or something else for that. And the wallet also holds Flux as well, since they have a partnership. So now I'm going to hit download wallet. It's going to take me to the Chrome web store. Click add to Chrome, add extension. So you'll see XWallet has been added to Chrome. You can click start now. See, they never collect keys, addresses, transaction balances, or any personal information. They never collect your full IP address, never sell your data. So you have to agree to read the terms of use. You can click that to read those there if you'd like. I've already set up another main wallet, so I won't do that now. You want to restore from a recovery phrase from another wallet that you have, you can do that as well. So you have to create a password. In the next step, you'll record your 12-word recovery phrase. Your recovery phrase makes it easy to restore your wallet on a new device. Anyone with this phrase can take control of your wallet. Keep it private. Kadena cannot access your recovery phrase if lost. Please store it safely. I always suggest writing it down on paper, locking it in a fireproof safe. They even make little fireproof bags that you can get. You can put it inside of there and then inside the safe, so it's got double coverage from a fire. If you have someone you trust, you might can make a second copy and give it to them. A bank lockbox. They make all kind of other devices now, which are metal, and it can have different ways to engrave it in or have it permanently put in there. They also have what they call archival ink, which is an ink that's supposed to last hundreds of years. So for some reason, if something happens to your wallet, if it gets wet or anything, that ink is supposed to last a lot longer than the regular ink. The most important part, though, is never give it to anybody. Doesn't matter if you get an email from the Pope, president, whatever, you never give that phrase to anybody. Never tell anybody. Doesn't matter if you get an email from Coinbase. Never, ever, ever give that 12-word phrase to anybody unless it's the person you trust in case you die and someone needs to recover all your money for your family, something like that. You do not give that 12-word passcode out for any reason. All right, I understand that if I lose my recovery phrase, I will not be able to restore my wallet. That's another big part. If you don't have the 12-word and you get kicked out of this wallet, you can't get back in, something's not working. If you don't have that 12-word recovery phrase, you won't be able to access your wallet and all your coins in it. So be very careful with that. All right, so I'm going to hit continue. It's going to have a box there that says click here to see your recovery phrase, and then you click it and it's going to have a 12-word passcode. That's what you write down on paper. I'm not going to show that in the video, obviously, because it's my 12-word passcode. I may not even ever use this wallet, but just in case. So after you write down the 12-word phrase, it'll have you come in and write them all down here, verify that they're correct, then you have to hit continue. One thing to note about the 12-word recovery phrase is it's always lowercase letters. Once you put in the 12-word code, a green box will pop up at the top saying success. Then it'll ask you to put in your password. And this is what the wallet looks like once you're in it. You'll see it has mainnet or testnet. You'll see it has the account name, wallet address. You can copy it right there. This is your receive address if you wanted to send your Kadena from KuCoin or CoinMetro or one of the other exchanges to XWallet. You can create a new wallet, import a wallet with another 12-word recovery phrase if you want to. You have all your chains here. There's 20, chain 0 to chain 19. So far, I've noticed a lot of projects use chain 1, but I've seen a couple on chain 3 as well. Like I mentioned in my KuCoin video, it only allows you to move to chain 1. But once you get it here, you can send it to another chain. The wallet defaults to chain 0. Let's say you sent money from KuCoin, you had it on chain 1. Click chain 1, your balance would pop up here. You could go to receive and copy your address, or you could copy it right here. Go to send, you'd put in chain 3, for example, put in your address, and click continue. Then it'll show you sender account, destination account, same address, from chain 1 to chain 3. Put in the amount of Kadena that you want to send. You can do economy, normal, or fast. You don't really have to change any of this if you don't want to. Click next. Of course, I have insufficient funds in this wallet, but then you would have to approve that transaction. You'll notice you have the settings menu. Lock XWallet basically just means it kind of kicks you out and you have to enter your password to get back in, not your recovery phrase, just your password. That way, if you leave your computer and you don't want someone having access to the wallet, then they won't. Connected sites. This one's not connected to anything, but it'll have a list of all the connected sites on here and you can disconnect from those if you'd like to after you use them. That's just a safety thing. You can view this wallet in the Explorer, export your private keys, or you can remove the wallet if you'd like. So next I'll talk about how to add more tokens to the wallet. I'll put a list of the current contract addresses and tokens in my details of the video. When I put it in there, you'll notice something immediately different from every other chain you've probably ever used, right? Usually it's an OX something, or it's this long number you can't remember. Look at the token address for that token. You probably could memorize these. These are super simple, but you basically would just put in the address and then there you've got that token. And you can put all the tokens in here. So really fast, really easy to be able to add a token to the wallet. You'll notice at the bottom, this is the home screen. This is for transactions, any activities or pending transactions you may have. And these are more settings. So you can add, edit, remove, and manage your contacts. So you can add new contacts if you have wallets you use a lot. You can add new networks, network name, RPC URL, Block Explorer URL, network ID. Export your recovery phrase. Click there to show your recovery phrase. Input your password and verify. And then about, this just has some information about it. There has their Telegram, their website. So if you wanted to use this wallet, let's say to swap some KDA for another coin, you could come to a site like kaddex.com, click launch app, and you'll notice up here, it says chain 2. Once you get the XWallet Chrome extension downloaded, you can click this puzzle piece here, come in and click the pin, and your XWallet will pop up in the top corner there where you can click it anytime you want. So you don't have to be on the XWallet web page. You can actually have the wallet right here set up on the side. So that said it was chain 2. So you come in, click chain 2, connect wallet, XWallet. Your wallet's going to ask which ones. You can unselect 0 and 1 if you want to. If you just wanted to connect on chain 2, click save, close, and then your wallet would be connected. Then you could come in here and say you want to swap KDA for, they've got 2 tokens here you can buy so far, Flux and Hype. Let's say you wanted to swap some KDA for Hype. You put in the amount, it would show you how much you would get back. You do the swap, and then you'd have it in your wallet. And then you can go back to the XWallet, add the tokens, put in the contract address for Hype, add custom token, and then your Hype would show up in your wallet. If you like to, when you're done, you can go to connected sites, hit the trash, disconnect, and now you're not connected to Kaddex anymore. And it would be similar for an NFT. If you were going to mint an NFT, they said it was 50 KDA to mint, it was on chain ID 1, you'd make sure you have 50 plus gas, which is very minimal, but just a little more than 50 on the chain ID 1. And then you would go to that website for the NFT. So let's say you wanted to mint a Kadena Bulls, which is already minted, but just for an example, you go to their mint page, which you can't see here, but this is some of their NFTs, and you would connect the wallet. Address should show up there, and then you would click mint. You'd have to confirm the transaction, and then you would have that NFT. So that's it. That's the XWallet. That's some of the features of it and how to use it. It's a really nice wallet, clean UI, works well. I really like it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd appreciate a like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and maybe a share on Twitter. I appreciate all the support from the community. Much love, everyone.